Yo, what's going on YouTube? Hopefully you can hear me. It is absolutely pouring out, so I'm gonna wait for the rain to stop and then we're gonna go out fishing. So just stay tuned. Also leave a comment on what video I should do next, and I will for sure do the most liked comment. So peace.
$30,000 boat, $35,000 boat, and I got about $2,000. They can't afford gold.
You don't really need a good truck to pull a good boat.
I'm just saying, it's a priority.
I guess. There we go. First fish. Ooh. Yeah. Grab the net just in case. That's a good one. Woo.
Got your camera on?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Oh, Jesus Christ. That's at least 3. I'm gonna grab my scale just to see how much it weighs. I was short. 235.
How much?
235. All right, well, first one of the day. See you later. That's a big one. It's like a 3. How many players are there? Where?
Underneath the box.
Underneath. Oh. 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 Yeah.
You got it?
It's going right there. Okay.
2.9?
2.9. Sweet. The release.
What?
So what am I stuck on?
That tree? Oh!
Alright. Alright, so after editing this video, I realized that I do not have a lot of footage, and that is because my GoPro was just being weird. It was dying fast. It was just like glitching out. And so that's why there's not a lot of footage, as you can see. So just be ready for longer videos in the future. And yeah, so leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and peace, y'all.